Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you are getting this error message nuget is not recognized as an internal or external command. Nuget is actually a package manager for your C# applications. If you just type, I'm already assuming that you have installed nuget. If you haven't installed it, just go to the Microsoft website and just download the .NET SDK. It comes with the nuget exe file as well. So I have already installed it. So by default nuget is present in the C drive, program files. There is a folder program files right here, and then we have this folder which is nuget. So this executable is located right here. So you just need to copy this location and just open your environment variable and just go to the system variable, system path variable, and just add this location right here and just click OK, and just after making this change you just need to restart your machine or restart the terminal and just type the command nuget. You will see the command will be successful right here. So you will be able to install third-party packages of inside your C# .NET application. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.